Welcome, boys and girls. My name is Miss Chrissy Williams. I'm a first grade math teacher at Minnie Ruffin Elementary. Today I'm going to talk to you about Module 6, Topic B, Lesson 9. The objective is to represent up to 120 objects with a written numeral, okay? So that's our objective, what the lesson will be about. Now let's read our learning goals. Can you read the learning goal with me? I can represent a number of objects with a written numeral, okay? So remember that learning goal, because at the end of the lesson, we're going to come back and make sure we've accomplished that. Okay, we're going to do a little warm up, and this is what I like to call beat counting. I would like for you to say these numbers in a sequence with me. When we get to the blank, we'll say beat, and on my signal, which will be the snap, you'll give me the answer. Ready? Good. Let's go. 8, 9, B, 11, 10. Good job. Okay, let's keep going. 108, 109, B, 111, 110. Good job. What do you notice about these two sequences? The numbers are going up in the ones place. Exactly. You're doing a great job. Let's continue. 12, 11, B, 9, 10. Good job. What do you notice about this sequence that was different? Yes, the numbers were going down in this set of sequence, but in the first two, the numbers were going what? Up. Okay, let's continue. 112, 111, B, 109, 110. Good job. You're doing an awesome job. Now, the first set, you notice we had a number missing in the middle, okay? We're going to switch it up a little bit. Now, we're going to have number missing at the beginning. So, put on those thinking rings, and let's go. B, 7, 8, 9, 6. Good job. You're great at this. Okay. Go to our next one. B, 107, 108, 109, 106. Good job. You're awesome. Okay. Let's go to our next section. Okay. Now, this section switches because we have some numbers missing at the end as well. Not just in the middle or at the beginning, but we have some missing at the end, okay? 10, 11, 12, B, 13. Good job. Now, as we go through these sequences, I would like for you to notice the difference and the similarities of the sequence set, okay? 110, 111, 112, B. Yes, 113. Good job. What do you notice about the two numbers that were missing in the first two sequences? Awesome. Yes, they both end with a 3 in the ones place, okay? Moving on to our next sequence. 20, 19, 18, B, 17. Good job. Good job. You all are doing an awesome job on these sequences, okay? So I want you to pay very close attention to the next sequence as well, okay? 120, 119, 118. B, what do you think this number is going to end in? 7. Good job. So missing number is 117. Awesome, okay? We have 2 more sets. Let's go ahead and finish up. 17, 18, B, 20. Good job, 19, okay? So, let's go to our last set. And what do you think the number is going to end in? 9. Good job. 17, 18, B, 120. 119. Give yourselves a thumbs up. You did a great job. All right. That's called beat counting, okay? Let's move on to our lesson. Right now, I would like for you to look at this set of cubes that I'm going to show you. I would like to know how many cubes are there. Right, they're just arranged all over the place, okay? So I'll let you take your time and count them out. How many did you get? 10. Good job. All right, so look at the next set. Do you know how many cubes are there? 10. How did you know that there were 10 so fast in this set and you didn't know that there were 10 so fast in the other set? Yes, because this set is arranged in 5 groups. 5 groups help us to count faster instead of them being all scattered out, okay? So we have 5 up here and 5 up there. 5 plus 5 is 10. And remember, this is our magic 10. Okay, let's try another one. How many cubes are there? 12. Good job. How did you know so quickly that there were 12 cubes? You are very smart, right? Because they're in 5 group rows and you have a group of 5, 5, and then you have 2 on the side. So 5 plus 5 is 10. Add 2 more, that is 12. Good job. Okay, so how many cubes do you see in all? 120. Whoa, that's a big number, okay? Let's count just to make sure that we're correct, okay? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. You're absolutely right. Was there another way that we could have counted that would have got us the answer very fast? Yes, because they're in 5 groups. So let's try that. 5, 10, 11, 12. Good job, okay? So there's 120 cubes. Now, let's stop for a moment and review something. How many pennies is equal to 1 dime? 10, exactly. So now I want to switch over and convert those to ones. So how many ones is there? 120. Good job. You're awesome. Okay, let's go to the next one. Surprise! How many cubes are there? 99. Are you sure? Good. How did you know that there were 99 cubes so fast? Okay, you used the 5 group cards. You're absolutely right. There's 5 at the top, 4 at the bottom, 5 ones, and 4 ones, okay? Good job. How many 10s do you see? Good. There's 9 because 5 and 4 make 9. Okay, so how many cubes are there in all? Okay, 9 10s and 9 ones. So 9 10s and 9 ones is what? 99, exactly. So how many ones is there in all? 99. You're very good at this. You're doing an awesome job. Let's go to the next one. Ready? Whoa. Okay. How many cubes are there? 101? Wow. How many 10s do you see? 10. Good job. Because there's 5 at the top and 5 at the bottom, and 5 and 5 make what? 10. Good job. Okay, so how many cubes are there in all? 101. Okay, you said 101. Why is it not 110? Yes, that's a 1, not a 10. So you're correct. That's 101. Okay, let's switch over our units. So now, how many ones is that? How many ones is 101? 101. Good job. You're doing an awesome job. You're very good at this. Let's look at the next one. Let me try to trick you up a little bit. Okay, you ready? How many cubes are there? 109. Wow. Wow, that is awesome. How did you know so fast that there were 109 cubes? Good job, because the tens were in groups of fives, okay? What about the ones? How did you know so fast that that was 9 1? Yes, because they were in groups of twos. Good job. So if I go back and I count these 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I did something wrong. Let me just go back. Let's go back and count and see. We had a boo-boo somewhere. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I see where our mistake was. We're counting these as tens when these are actually what? Ones. Oh gosh. Okay, so let's go back and count those as ones. Thank you. Okay, so we have 5, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good job. Thank you. What would I do without you? We have 109 cubes, okay? So remember, single cubes are ones. They're not tens, okay? All right, so how many ones is there in all? 109. Good job. See where you get this next one. How many cubes are there in all? 11. Good job. Okay, so if we have 11 cubes, how many tens are there in all? 11 tens. Good job. Okay, so 11 tens equal what value? 110. Good job. So 110, how many ones is in that number? 110. Awesome. You're doing a great job. Let's just keep up and do a little bit more to make sure that we hit that learning goal. This is a good one. Remember we talked about the ones and the tens? You can see the difference. They're side by side. This is a 10 and this is a 1. Okay? So, how many cubes are there in all? 111. Good job. How many tens do you have? 11. Good job. How many cubes do you see in all? 111. Good. Okay, so how many ones is that? 111. Awesome. So if we have 110 as our number, we have, oh, I'm sorry, I put 110. 111 as our number, we have 111 ones as well. Remember, there's 10 ones for every 10. Okay? You're doing a great job. How many tens is there? 11. Good. How did you know that there were 11 so fast? Okay, the 5 at the top, the 5 at the bottom, and then you have 1 10 on the side. Good job. How many cubes do you see in all? 113. Good job. Let's count just to make sure that you're correct, okay? 5, 10, 110, 111, 112, 113. Awesome. You're smart, boys and girls, okay? So, how many ones is that? 113. You're correct again. All right. So, I could tell already that you're hitting this learning goal because you're doing awesome. Okay? Let's see how many cubes are there in all now. They're kind of trying to trick you out a little bit here. How? Because they separated the ones out. Exactly. Okay? So, how many tens do you see in all? Remember, those are ones. Okay, so look at it one more time. Good. You have 11 tens. Sorry, 11 tens, okay? How did you know you had 11 tens so fast? 5 at the top, 5 at the bottom, and the single 10. Now look here. What did they do there? They put those ones in 5 groups. Good job. Okay, we have 5 ones at the top. And how many do we have at the bottom? 4. Good. 5 plus 4 is 9. Awesome. Okay, let's put it all back together. How many cubes do you see in all? 119. Are you sure? Let's just make sure. 5, 10, 110, 111, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. You are absolutely correct. There's 119 cubes in all. Okay, so how many ones would that be? 119. Good job. Okay, so as we're going through, I'm noticing that you're doing a great job of representing these numbers, and they're going all the way to 120. So let's continue just to make sure that you mastered that goal. Okay, how many tens do you see now? 11. Good job. How many cubes are there in all? 115. Wow. Okay, let's just make sure that we're correct. We always want to go back and count just to double check. Okay, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So you're absolutely correct. There's 115 cubes in all. Okay, so how many ones would that be? 115. Good job. You're doing an awesome job. Okay, so let's try another one. I know they kind of tried to trick you with this one, right? But you got it. I know it. Okay, so how many cubes are there in all? 104. Good job. Okay, so how many tens are there? 10. Good job. How many cubes do you see in all? 104. Good job. How many ones is that? 104. Awesome. Okay, let's try another one. This one is good. How many cubes is there in all? 107. Good. How did you know that there were 107 cubes in all? You're right. They have the tens in 5 groups. What about the ones? How did you get that number so fast? Yes, they have the ones in 5 groups as well. And we know that 5 and 2 is 7. Good job. How many tens did you see? 10. Good. And how many cubes were there in all? 107. Okay, so how many ones is that? 107. Awesome. You all did a great job. Okay, let's try one more. We're going to break it down and slow it down, so just to make sure that we got that learning goal. Okay, that we're mastering it. Okay, how many cubes do you see? 110. Wow. Okay. How did you know that so fast? Yes, they're arranged in 5 groups. Okay, so you have 5 tens at the top, 5 tens at the bottom, 5 ones, and 5 ones at the bottom. So how many tens out of 110 do you see? 10. Good job. And we all know that 10 tens equal what? 100. Awesome. Okay, so how many cubes are there in all? 110. Good job. So 110 equals to how many ones? Good job. 110. You all did a great job today. Remember, 110 is equal to 10 ones, okay? Remember, we can count faster and find our answer when we arrange our groups in 5 groups, okay? I'll see you next time. Thank you.